Deep tissue massage versus foam rollers, which is better for tight and sore muscles? Today we'll answer this common question to help you enhance your muscle recovery and overall fitness routine. Foam rollers have become incredibly popular and offer a convenient and cost-effective way to alleviate muscle tightness, improve flexibility, and speed up recovery. They help release tension in the fascia, boost blood circulation, and prevent injuries. For many people, foam rollers are an excellent tool for daily muscle maintenance and minor tension relief, making them a practical addition to any fitness or rehabilitation routine. However, foam rollers may not be a complete substitute for deep tissue massages. While they are effective for surface-level muscle relief, they often lack the ability to reach deeper muscle layers as a professional massage can. Deep tissue massages offer personalized treatment tailored to specific needs and complex muscle issues. For chronic pain, severe muscle tightness, or specific problem areas, professional deep tissue massages are more effective. So while foam rollers are fantastic for everyday use and minor muscle issues, they might not fully replace the benefits of a deep tissue massage. For the best results, consider using both methods in your recovery routine. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And let us know in the comments how you incorporate foam rolling and massage into your fitness routine. See you next time.